Hello, trading is closed on February 25, 2016. Yesterday night I had a MEJT target of 1911.79. I invoked the standard rule. I said yesterday that if we gapped up it would pretty much kill it, and that's what happened. The target should still print at some time, but the system doesn't say when. During the day, early on, MEJT gave a buy, an ultimate buy, and that worked. The S means if the move came immediately, it tended to be strong. In the afternoon, it gave an ultimate buy signal, which clearly worked. But it now says the move is a false move. From the morning pattern, there's an optional target of 1926.59. If it doesn't print tomorrow, I'd forget it. These optional targets last year worked 95% of the time. So 95% chance we see 1926.59 tomorrow. The afternoon pattern gives us a target of 1934.01, most likely to print tomorrow. We still have this 1911.79 target that should print at some time. Well, it's not always a wise policy to look for tops when the market's railing like this, particularly when futures are already up. It's possible that those price targets I mentioned will just fall away, but there are some other things calling for a top in this area. This high is a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation. We have bar 13 of a combo sell signal on the 65-minute chart. Any close over 1932.09 will give us a 913.9 sequential sell signal also. This isn't exactly a close at the high of the day, but a close at the high of the day typically is met by a gap down the following day. This might be close enough. This isn't the clearest wall into the close I've seen, but it might be close enough, and that's usually met by gapping down. This is the 78-minute chart, and at the close we got bar 13 of a sequential sell to go along with bar 13 of the combo sell. It's a bit disconcerting that futures are up as I'm recording this, because this is a perfect setup for gapping down, probably sharply at the open, and hitting 1934.01 and 1926.59 tomorrow. It's a perfect setup for that, but if this setup fails, it'll fail in a very big way. So tomorrow's open is going to be critical. It's a bit disconcerting that prices are up, but if we do have the gap lower tomorrow that the odds favor, it could have legs. If instead we gap up, I think that the scenario that I've outlined pretty much falls apart. We could have a big rally. The one exception would be if we gapped up and promptly reversed, and by promptly I mean practically from the open. So that's why tomorrow's open is going to be critical, looking for a gap down and a big drop, and if it fails big, and that's today's call.